Hi everyone, this is Noreen with Nasan USA. Today I wanted to show you and run down through this NA-SP5 heat plate with built-in vacuum. So this machine you can use for the iPad with this additional attachment, or you can just use it just as like this for Samsung Glass only, or like iPhone or Apple Watches. It has a 360 rotatable feature as well. So as you all see, this come with a lot of small stuff. So I'm gonna explain you one by one. Let's start with this feature only. So if you use this the silicone suction pad, then if you cover on this right here, this area, you can use it for Apple Watch only. But normally we don't even use it that way anymore because we have a new technique that you can just use it just like this for Apple Watch and the flat screen iPhone and all kind of flat screen smartphone screen. And as well as you can use it for Samsung if you do the traditional way, glass only, like you just put this attachment, you don't need this, and you do this attachment, okay? And then let's say you have a Samsung glass with frame, you just install that, and then that's how you work on Samsung glass only, okay? You don't need this. This is only you need it for the Samsung traditional way to separate the glass. If you do flat screen, this is gonna be the way that you're gonna use it. So now I'm gonna show you guys the how you attach. So we have included a lot of extra screw as well. So all you have to do is attach its screw. Okay, I'm not gonna screw everything. I'll just show you as a demo. And then we're gonna attach this right here. There you go. So of course you have to attach everything. And another feature, so you have two little things. This little thing you have to install on this front and end. The thread. Yes, the thread, you can just screw it down. Because when you're working on either Samsung without this attachment, when you're working on the phone or Apple Watch or Samsung screen, then when you have to do a rotation, you can't touch here because this will be really hot. So you can just touch here, you can just hold it here and then turn around it. You can rotate it however you like. Okay, now let's talk about this guy. This is literally the attachment on the side. So we have 4 attachment. So some people, they have a permanent workstation. So I'm gonna show you this way. So one screw will go here and then the other screw will drill down to the workstation. For myself, I don't like to drill my workstation. So normally what I do is I just use the C-clamp. I attach it on the machine first and then I use the C-clamp like this one. Okay, that is for this. And pretty much that's about it. So let's see this right here. We're gonna do a comparison for this. So this right here has an iPad 12.9. So you have like open space to do a lot of freedom and then turn around however you like. So thank you for watching. If you have more questions, schedule with us. And then we'll walk you through step by step as well. Thank you guys.